The Schlumberger Bartlesville Technology Center is known for exceeding industry standards in quality, consistency, technology, and service. However, there is still room for improvement. Under the new workflow, as housings enter the system, the press will be located closer to the subsequent stations. Next, an automated straightener will straighten the stator, unattended and often in half the time as the manual press. In addition, the automated straightener is numeric controlled, which lessens the need for specialized training. From there, stators move to the adjoining stator dry station, and then onto the racks. Next door, the new winding stations will be opened up to provide a safer, more efficient workspace. And when required, the varnish station will be conveniently nearby with direct access to the oven. The new horizontal oven will offer automatic loading and unloading and eliminate the need for overhead cranes and 2 operators. There will also be no need for climbing ladders or having a load above the operator's head, and it will remove the requirement for a spotter. The loading operation will be reduced from a 4-person task to, at worst, a 1-person, and possibly no human interaction at all, other than having the stator in place. In this revamp, there will also be the addition of a conference room, visitor's area, a supervisor's office, and a production planner's office. The conference room will have a view of the horizontal oven, and the supervisor's office will directly oversee the oven and winding stations, along with closed-circuit video monitoring of other stations. From the oven, it's a short, straight trip to the epoxy station, and concluding at the lead station, located directly in line with the next area in assembly. With this reorganized workflow, the Bartlesville Technology Center will improve safety and maximize efficiency as it continues to be the Motor Center of Excellence.